Quick update of what's actually showing up at dealerships and what condition it's actually in. When was it actually ordered? So behind us, 2 Mavericks, pre-ordered in August, officially ordered, enrolled, COVP, confirmed order in September. What are they? They've just shown up. And well, it's mid-February. Why did they show up? Well, they're EcoBoost, of course, so that's coming along much quicker. I also have, what's this? A hardtop Bronco. This was ordered in September 2022. So it's a 2022 September order, and it showed up. It's a 2.7 liter, and it has the hardtop, and it actually even has the luxury package. So Ford is still actually building the models that are constrained. They're just coming out less, and of course it helps that it doesn't have the Sasquatch package. So I have been saying on the channel that if you have, having less constraints, more chance of getting built, and that if you have, just one of the constraints off, well, you might get built, and this is a proof. You'll get built against orders that have all the constraints on them. So this could have been built maybe with Sasquatch, but keeping the soft top. But there's proof right there of what I've been saying now for throughout the last several weeks. So we've got this nice Bronco. We also have 2 really nice Mavericks here, EcoBoost all-wheel drive. So I had some comments saying that all-wheel drive, that means you'll have to wait longer. No, all EcoBoost, as long as it's not hybrid, you can actually get these things built and delivered within a reasonable time. So end of August pre-order, officially only really ordered in, if we're in the States, it'd be, the 15th of September, but in Canada, it actually opened up 2 weeks later. So this was actually very early October that Canada started to take the order. So now it's here, middle of February, and this is actually a luxury package. So there's proof right there that luxury package is no longer causing problems. Now, both are XLT, here's an XLT, not luxury package. This is an FX4 with of course, the tow package, obviously, because, well, it comes with the FX4 package. And here you've got, this is actually a pretty basic order. It's just 4K tow on this Maverick. So 4K also not a problem. They're getting built. So you got the 4K, and let's take a look at the plug back there. And that's the proof that 4K Maverick. So it can pull 4,000 pounds. It's all-wheel drive. There's absolutely no constraint on that. Nothing in the box, no accessories. Officially ordered early October, because that's when we could in Canada, and it showed up. It's got the back sliding window. This actually showed up with the hard drop-in bed liner and luxury package. Beautiful FX4 kit, and we had no problem getting that in. Also pre-ordered in August, officially ordered, well, if we're in the States, it would have been the 15th of September. I ordered this on the first available day in Canada, and it has shown up. So Mavericks are showing up, and the occasional Bronco is showing up. Like I mentioned, this showed up because it didn't have all the constraints. This is a luxury package, Outer Banks, with a 2.7 liter. And even though it's luxury package, it showed up. It really helps. It's not Sasquatch. And it has the hardtop, very constrained, the hardtop. If you want a hardtop, try not to add luxury package as well as Sasquatch. Ideally, pick one of the 3. And if you have to modify your order, well, keep 1 or 2 of them on, but don't keep all the constraints on, because that's the major problem. Now, tremors, I've had tremors show up with missing badges. And well, this has shown up in, well, perfectly. It's got everything. But one little thing has been removed, and that is something most people won't mind. This thing won't shut off at the lights or in traffic. So the auto start stop is not on it. But these tremors are absolutely gorgeous. I think this is such an amazing model. Now, a little 2-inch leveling kit in the front would really make it look large and in charge, and make it look even more like a Raptor. But I find this is a fantastic value. You've got your orange trim, orange tremor sticker, mud tires, a little bit of a lift. Of course, you've got that new Ford 12-inch screen in there. Got your little vents, side vents here with badging, and you've got a hood that is Raptor worthy, but this isn't Raptor price. Tens of thousands of dollars less expensive. You've got your bash plates down there. Just a gorgeous vehicle. LED lighting. This is a 401, so it's like an XLT Tremor. But what's cool is the interior. It's actually gonna throw you some leather on your interior. So really like this model. Great value. And you've got the Explorer ST. These actually aren't that long of a wait. And actually the Tremor behind me only took about roughly 4 or 5 months to show up. And same thing for this Explorer. If you want an Explorer ST or any Explorer model, should take about 3 to 5 months to show up. So not a huge wait on the Explorers, even when they are nicely equipped. So my favorite Explorer model is a little less expensive than the ST. I do really like the ST line, and I think the Timberline is just fantastic. So that's what has been showing up in the yard this week. Pretty excited, pretty happy. Stay tuned because we're gonna be talking about the Lightning delivery restriction. So a lot of people are getting worried about that, thinking that, you know, the Lightning's done for, it's a disaster. I'll be talking all about that, giving you the real details behind that. So do hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any important Ford news and Ford vehicle coverage and reviews. And of course, we review and cover all sorts of other vehicles, but there's so many models on the market, we gotta concentrate on something. Until next time, we wish you all more cars and more power. What?
Deep.
Deep. Oh, deep.
So deep.
Okay, that I should have listened to you on that one.
Yeah.
We're steaming again.
Steaming again.
Steaming clams. We're steaming again.
No, don't do that one. It's too deep. No, it's too deep.
It's too deep?
Too deep.
Actually, that one might be a little, yeah, that is probably too deep. I think we're steaming enough as it is. I said we.
No.
I said we.